Today we're going to look at solving some word problems involving compound interest. So, for here we have Logan invests $1,000 in an account that earns 3% compounded continuously. Okay. How long will it take for him to have $1,433.33? So, I want to start by making a key of all my information. I have A, P, R, and T. So the amount of money at the end is $1,433.33. The initial investment, or the principal investment, is $1,000. The interest rate is 0.03. We want to make sure we take that percent and write it as a decimal. And the time is what we're not sure of. So, since it's compounding continuously, that tells me we want to use PERT. So A equals PE to the RT. 1,433.33 cents. It's 1,000 E to the 0.03T. So start by dividing by 1,000. I get 1.43333 is E to the 0.03T. I can either convert to a log equation at this point or ln both sides. Both strategies are going to work. I'm going to ln both sides. So ln of 1.43333 is equal to, now a couple of ways to think about this. Since ln is a log base e, this is saying e to what power is e to the 0.03t. So the answer is 0.03t. You could also take this and drop it down in front because it's an exponent. So by our log laws, we can bring that down. And then ln of e is just 1. And divide by 0.03. And so the exact answer is ln of 1.4333 divided by 0.03. When I do that in the calculator, it comes out as 12. And so we'd say 12 years. Now we're going to look at another one. All right. So this one's not a compound interest problem, but a half-life problem. The half-life of carbon-11 is 20 minutes. How long will it take for 800 grams of carbon-11 to decay to 640 grams? So the amount at the end will be 640 grams. The amount at the beginning is 800. The half-life is 20. So remember, the half-life formula looks like A, P to the 1/2 time over half-life. So 640 is 800, 1/2. We don't know our T, and we'll divide it by 20. So I'm going to start by dividing by 800. This will be 0.8 is 1/2 to the T over 20. Now this time I'm going to convert to a log equation. So if I'm going to convert to a log equation, I'm going to have log base 1/2 of 0.8 is equal to T over 20. At that point, I can multiply both sides by 20. So we can have 20 log base 1/2 of 0.8 is equal to T. Depending on your calculator, you might be able to do that log base 1/2 of 0.8 in your calculator. You might not be able to. If you're not able to, you could use change of base at this spot and do log of 0.8 divided by a log of 1/2 or 0.5 is equal to 2 T. So there's two different ways to do that depending on the age of your calculator. So when I put that in the calculator, we get 6.43 minutes. And that concludes a couple of application problems. Hope this helps.